drives I'm gonna have in this spectacular F90 M5. It's going to be moved on to its next owner, to its new home, but I figured we gotta show you what the best exhaust, a $5,000 titanium exhaust and a set of downpipes does to one of the best daily drivers of them all. We're gonna make a bunch of noise because we're here in Philadelphia, Mexico, and we've got this. And we're gonna show you guys some wicked flybys and how rowdy this thing sounds. I can't wait. Enjoy. Let's get to it. Here's the thing too, it's gonna be sad to sell this car and move it on to its next lovely home. Nice wood dash, white interior, sunroof. Everybody goes, whoa, carbon roof, bro. It's a 4,400 pound executive sedan. Really, bro? Just it's such music in here, there's such depth. With that forward X-pipe, you gain so much exotic, exciting sound all throughout the rev range. Listen, there's a lot of M5 exhausts out there, but if you don't have lots of crossover and a really good scavenging X-pipe, the cars, they sound like boats. Like, they really don't sound good. Pops, ready? Listen to how outrageous this is.
I wish you guys could like really depict how loud that was.
So dumb.
Yeah.
You get a really exotic sound at like 2,000 RPM.